On International Women's Day, I want every girl and woman to be proud of herself, to be proud of all that she has achieved in her life. She has done her best, and just to take a pause and appreciate that despite this pandemic going on, she's trying her best to learn and manage her family and parenthood and her work, and manage all these calls every day, when she has so many things to to do at home, and she's looking that she needs to look after herself as well. So take a break, enjoy this, take this moment, enjoy it, and let's be grateful to all the women, whether we know their names or not. Let's thank them for all that they have done for women's rights and equality. In this pandemic, I graduated as well. So I'm one of the 2020 graduates, and I have been home like literally from the start till now. But I have, been spending time with friends through Zoom calls and through, these FaceTime things. And it's I haven't been able to meet many of my friends in person. It's been a very, very long time, and it's happening for everybody else. But it's a pandemic, and we need to understand that it's so important that we stay safe and we save everybody else as well. So as soon as this pandemic started, the first thing Malala Fund did was to do a research on the impact of this pandemic on girls' education. And the research shows that there are 20 million more girls at risk of losing their education, because it's a health crisis, but it has that economic crisis with it. Most of these girls are forced into early child marriages because they want to reduce the burden on the family, or these girls are pushed into becoming financial supporters of the family. And that's why Malala Fund straight away started projects to support the education of girls right now, whether that is through radios or through national televisions or through mobile apps. We want to keep girls engaged in their learning so they don't miss out on anything. But a lot more needs to be done, and we need to make sure that girls return to schools when things are back to normal.